So I've always seemed to, like, my mood really varies with the weather. I don't know. When it's sunny and nice, I'm always happy, ready to go out and do things. One of my favorite things is to get out and fly the drone. But when it's gloomy and windy, makes it a little more challenging. But I'm out here this morning, here at River Park. I'm gonna give it a go. I'm shooting a time lapse. I don't know if you can see it back there. Shooting a time lapse with my Osmo Pocket. So I'm bringing back the series, You Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. So this is episode 1 of season like 4, I think, maybe 3. I have to go look. I have to check that. I'll get back to you later on that. But how it works is I'm gonna spotlight 3 drone shots in this video. Even though it's a cloudy, dreary day, probably won't get the best drone footage. I hope I will though. I'm hopeful. What I need you to do is vote for your favorite one in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. I'll do this for a couple of videos. Each week we'll pick a winner. As we do, we'll put those winners up against each other and we'll see which one wins. See what kind of drone shots you guys like. That's what the fun part is. All right, so let's get started. You know, I always enjoy making this series. I feel like you're helping me get better at flying the drone, making me a better drone pilot. All right, so that's the 3 shots. You know, I had a lot of fun shooting these shots this morning. It was a blast. I hope you guys get at least a 1/10 of the enjoyment I get out of shooting these videos. I hope you get at least a 1/10 of that watching them. And if you do, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Scott, and this is my journey, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, don't forget to vote for your favorite shot. Was it 1, 2, or 3? Come on, put it down in the comments, man. What are you waiting for?